In this part, you'll see me cutting up some mesh tape. Super affordable at just 50 pesos per roll. It's actually meant for construction work, typically used to reinforce drywall seams, but I've found it works perfectly for lining drainage holes in pots. It prevents fine soil from washing out during watering. What makes it even more convenient is that one side is sticky, so once you press it onto the bottom of the pot, it stays in place, so no shifting or adjusting needed. But if you don't have mesh tape on hand, don't worry. There are plenty of creative alternatives. I've used mesh produce bags from garlic or onions, scraps of lace fabric from old clothes or curtains, and even small pebbles. Really, anything that's larger than the drainage hole will work. No need to overthink it. Just use whatever's available at home. As long as it holds the soil in and allows water to drain, it does the job just fine.